Video's starting.
Okay. Yeah! Touch gloves and gloves. What, just one? Go! There you go, Carson. Beautiful stance, dude.
Doing 3 2-minute rounds. I'll let you know once at 2 minutes.
Oh my god. There we go, Carson. There we go, bro. Oh, I love you.
What the fuck is happening?
There we go!
Ooh.
Oh my god. Aim for the face. Aim for the face, Carson. Nice! Oh my god. There we go, Carson. Oh my god. Need this.
Fighters clear to fight.
I'm just...
Tell them when to go. Touch gloves, let's keep going. Ooh. Hey, he's down. You guys just threw that on my fucking channel. That's demonetization right there.
There you go, Carson. Oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Yeah. This is my nose. Oh, my cheek. Hold on. Ready? Try it.
You guys ready to keep going? Bump gloves.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Well, it's not to confirm the rules anyway. Ooh. Ooh. They're throwing hands.
Oh, Carson, keep going. Oh, I did hit him in the back of the head, Mike.
You guys ready to keep going? Let's keep it going.
Ready?
This is a good ass fight actually, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. They're throwing fucking hands.
I love that Carson can change stances.
Yeah, he's pretty good at it.
Pansy?
Oh my god. Ooh.
Carson, Superman punch. Oh!
Ooh.
Oh, that was a clean ass dodge, dude.
Ooh.
Oh, the moves are insane. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
That back of your head is ridiculous.
Yeah, he's talking to you.
Oh my god.
Come on, Carson, do exactly what I told you. Do exactly what I told you to do. What did I tell you to do? Do it. No, no, not with all your strength. That's Carson. True. Carson, don't.
Keep going, don't do that. Keep going.
You can try.
I feel like Carson could make some good fake outs when it comes to actual match.
Dude, Zach, he's flexing on you, bro. Wow. Dude, Carson's fucking Zach up. Dude.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2 minutes.
Go. Ready?
On. Fight back, fighter. Fight back. Ooh.
Nice.
He's got some good counters. We got 2 other motherfuckers coming, so that's all good.
Yeah, I'm saving up my energy, buddy.
You're saving up your energy, but you're out of energy. Oh shit.
I'd be pretty upset about that. Do what I told you.
Ooh. Ooh.
Don't let off.
Paddle is nuts.
Give him the hard strength. Oh, hit him. Oh, crap.
Hey, he was down. He was down. Keep it going.
After this, I need a break.
Well, this is the last round, so you're all good.
I already spent enough money on fucking
Ooh. Ooh. Hey, no back of the head. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got to announce the winner. That sounded like a very... Okay. That's it for that video.